Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأعراف ولقد مكناكم في الأرض وجعلنا لكم فيها معايش قليلا ما تشكرون. Translation: And indeed we established you on the earth, and we created for you the means of livelihood in it. Little are thanks which you give. From here, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning some signs in the universe and some signs in the heart of the human being that will connect human with pure heart with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if a human who has qalb salim, meaning pure heart without densities and without the blackness of sins, if he ponders on the universe and he thinks that how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created this universe and how each and every particle of the universe is working in absolute synchrony so that all the requirements of human beings are fulfilled. If we ponder on the water cycle, how the water vapors are ascending from the seas and making the clouds, and the clouds are carrying pure water and distributing the water throughout the world so that the humans and animals and plants can use that pure water. If we ponder, we will realize that the creator of myself and the creator of ourselves and the creator of this whole universe is one, and the creator is free from any kind of weakness, any kind of fault, any kind of defect, or any kind of limitation. He is absolute in everything, and that is the reason he has created this universe with absolute synchrony. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made everything that we need with perfection, and these signs will connect us to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. These signs in ourselves and the signs that are present in the universe, when we ponder on them, we will be connected to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if there is any blackness on our hearts because of the sins, the ayahs, the verses of Quran will clean that blackness from the heart, and then we will be able to see through the signs of universe and the signs in ourselves so that we can be connected to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now, when a human being realizes that his creator is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is the greatest, so he feels that Allah has created everything that I need, and then his heart automatically goes in the state of thankfulness, and this thankfulness comes from within his heart when he realizes that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is so great and so generous that he has made things for me that I need. But unfortunately, many people have the blackness of the sins on their hearts, so they cannot see the signs around them and the signs within them, so they are not thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran, give us the vision that we can see the truth. Oh Allah, cleanse our hearts so that our hearts can feel the thankfulness for you all the time. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.